Hi viewer, welcome to our another video. In this video we will discuss about what are lifecycle hooks available in Angular. We will be uploading videos on technology and career guidance on our channel regularly. To encourage us to do more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel if you are watching our channel for the first time. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends to encourage us. Question: what are lifecycle hooks available in Angular? Angular application goes through an entire set of processes or has a life cycle right from its initiation to the end of the application. The representation of life cycle in pictorial representation as follows. Screenshot: the description of each life cycle method is as below. On changes. When the value of a data bound property changes, then this method is called on init. This is called whenever the initialization of the directive component after Angular first displays the data bound properties happens. Do check. This is for the detection and to act on changes that Angular can't or won't detect on its own. After content init. This is called in response after Angular projects external content into the components view. After content checked. This is called in response after Angular checks the content projected into the component. After view init. This is called in response after Angular initializes the components views and child views. After view checked. This is called in response after Angular checks the components views and child views. Destroy. This is the cleanup phase just before Angular destroys the directive component. Thank you for watching our video. I am Sirish Kantamaneni. If you have any questions or doubts on the topic like technology and career guidance, please comment below so we will reply or make a video on it. You are watching